Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
What if the secret to living longer wasn't about moving more, but about holding completely still? I know that sounds counterintuitive, but here's the truth. Isometric exercises, where you hold a position without any movement, are among the most powerful ways to build strength, protect your joints, and even extend your lifespan. Men who can maintain these holds consistently show lower risks of heart disease, better bone density, and the ability to stay strong, mobile, and independent well into their 80s and 90s. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 essential holds your body needs. These simple, timeless positions rebuild your strength from the inside out. And hold number 2? It's been scientifically shown to be the single most accurate predictor of how long you'll live. Before we dive in, drop your age in the comments below. No judgment, I'm just curious to see who's watching. Ready? Let's begin. Hold number 1, the wall sit, rebuilding the foundation. Have you noticed how getting out of a chair seems harder every year? Or how your knees ache after just one flight of stairs? Here's what's happening. The muscles that support your knees are gradually deteriorating from lack of use. Every hour you spend sitting, every time you take the elevator instead of the stairs, those crucial leg muscles weaken, forcing your knees to absorb all the impact. Over time, this leads to pain, instability, and eventually, loss of independence. Now picture this. You're sitting, but there's no chair beneath you. Your back is flat against a wall. Your thighs are on fire. Gravity is pulling you down, but you're fighting to hold your position. This is the wall sit, and it rebuilds leg strength without stressing your joints. How to do it? Stand with your back against a sturdy wall. Walk your feet forward about 2 feet. Slowly slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your knees directly above your ankles, not past your toes. If you're a beginner, start higher and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Aim for 3 sets, resting 60 seconds between. Each week, add 10 seconds until you can hold for 60 to 90 seconds. Common mistakes. Don't let your knees cave inward, keep them aligned with your toes. And don't hold your breath, breathe steadily to keep your blood pressure stable. Hold number 2, the dead hang, the lifespan predictor. Let me ask you something. Can you open a jar without struggling? Can you carry groceries without your hands cramping? Your grip strength is one of the most accurate predictors of your lifespan. Research shows men with weak grip strength have up to a 40% higher risk of death from any cause. Why? Because your grip reflects your total body strength, bone density, and cardiovascular health. Now, imagine hanging from a bar, arms fully extended, body still, no swinging. That simple act decompresses your spine, stretches your shoulders, and builds grip strength that literally predicts how long you'll live. This is the dead hang. How to do it? Use a pull-up bar or doorway bar. Grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Hang naturally with feet off the floor. Let your shoulders stretch slightly but keep your core engaged. Beginners can keep toes lightly touching the ground. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and work up to 60 seconds. Do 3 sets with 60 seconds rest between. Common mistakes. Don't drop suddenly onto the bar, ease into the hang. Avoid swinging, aim for a controlled, stable position. Hold number 3, the plank, awakening the sleeping core. Do you feel that dull ache in your lower back after standing? Notice your posture slipping forward more often? That's your core giving up on you. Years of sitting have shut down the deep stabilizing muscles that support your spine. When they stop working, your back absorbs all the stress, leading to chronic pain and that aged, slouched look. Now imagine your body perfectly straight, from head to heels, suspended and still, supported only by your forearms and toes. Every muscle in your core is firing to keep you stable. This is the plank, and it reignites those stabilizers that protect your spine. How to do it? Lie face down. Place forearms under your shoulders, elbows aligned. Lift your body off the floor so only your forearms and toes support you. Keep your body straight, no sagging hips or raised butt. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Look slightly ahead to keep your neck neutral. Beginners can start on their knees. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, and build up to 60 to 90 seconds over time. Common mistakes. Letting your hips drop, this strains your lower back. Holding your breath, always breathe naturally. Hold number 4, the isometric squat, restoring ancient mobility. Have you ever seen how people in some cultures can sit in a deep squat for hours? In Asia, Africa, and traditional societies, squatting is a natural rest position, to eat, work, or relax. But try it yourself now. Chances are, you'll lose balance or feel pain halfway down. What happened? Modern life, chairs, couches, and too much sitting, has robbed us of this essential movement. Your hips locked up, your ankles stiffened, and your body forgot how to move naturally. This loss of squatting ability is one of the earliest signs of aging, and the good news, it's completely reversible. This is the isometric squat hold, and it restores that lost movement. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly outward. Lower yourself into a squat, keeping heels flat. Keep chest up, back straight, and weight evenly distributed. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, resting 60 seconds between sets. As mobility improves, aim for 60 to 90 seconds. Beginners can hold onto a door frame or rail for balance. Common mistakes. Don't lift your heels, use small plates if necessary. Don't let knees collapse inward, push them out in line with your toes. Hold number 5. The hollow body hold, mastering full body tension. Why does your back hurt when you bend over? Why do you feel unstable lifting something light? Because you've lost the ability to create tension across your entire core. Your abs, stabilizers, and hip flexors no longer work together, leaving your spine vulnerable. This is where the hollow body hold comes in, the ultimate test of core stability. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, arms extended overhead, legs straight. Press your lower back firmly into the floor by tilting your pelvis. Lift your shoulders and legs a few inches off the ground, forming a gentle C shape. Every muscle should be tight. If it's too difficult, lift just your shoulders at first, keeping feet down. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 seconds, resting 60 seconds between. Gradually increase to 30 to 45 seconds per hold. Common mistakes. Don't let your lower back arch off the ground. Bend your knees or lower your legs if needed. Breathe shallowly through your nose, never hold your breath. Here's how to put it all together into a simple, powerful weekly plan. Monday. Wall sit 3 times 20 to 30s. Dead hang 3 times 15 to 30s. Plank 3 times 20 to 30s. Wednesday. Isometric squat 3 times 20 to 30s. Hollow body hold 3 times 10 to 15s. Friday. Dead hang 3 times 15 to 30s. Wall sit 3 times 20 to 30s. Hollow body hold 3 times 10 to 15s. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Add 5 to 10 seconds each week and track your progress. After 6 weeks, you'll notice better posture, stronger grip, improved stability, reduced joint pain, more energy and confidence in your movements. The bigger picture. These holds are powerful, but they're only one piece of the longevity puzzle. If you truly want to add not just years to your life, but life to your years, to wake up pain-free, move freely, and stay independent for decades, you need a complete system combining strength, mobility, and recovery. That's why I created a detailed longevity blueprint, designed specifically for men over 45 who are done with quick fixes and want permanent results. You'll find the link in the description below. It could be exactly what you've been searching for. 6 weeks from now, you can either be the guy who moves with confidence, gets out of chairs with ease, and lives pain-free. Or you can still be dealing with the same aches, stiffness, and weakness. The choice is yours. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which hold you're most excited to try. Remember, longevity isn't about luck, it's about consistent, smart choices. And these 5 isometric holds are among the smartest you'll ever make. Start today.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.